Is that all you care about? This creamer. Wait, do they have a pool back there?
Ice machine. Yeah.
They do. They have a very small green.
Right now.
Well, it should be closed for the winter. Four floors. Higher 10 to 8. I like it.
This is a very new hotel.
What room number are we?
204.
This is Holly said it's new.
Yeah, I mean, this is brand new.
Very nice. Look, and they're building another hotel over here. Interesting. Oh, now you can see the pool better. It's green, which you have to keep in mind. We're in St. Louis. Everyone closes their pools in the beginning of September, and it's October.
I really like how this looks.
Stairs.
Do you know how to do the pool?
I think we do get a view of the pool.
I did
No?
not see the pool.
Oh, it's to the right then. The hallway was long. That was a very long hallway.
Yeah, these are just the typical IHG
Holly's Pepsi points double bag from 20 years ago.
I like we're at a Disney hotel.
I mean, it looks really nice. Let me put my leftovers down. This makes me think of like an airplanes.
It's very like contemporary.
It is very contemporary. The air conditioning is on. Nice and cool. Very, but you're right. It is absolutely contemporary. Look at that mirror. That's pretty cool. I didn't look at the bathroom. Let me look at the bathroom. Good. Standard bath. Oh, okay. Those lights are neat. But standard bathroom.
Oh my goodness. We have it at 66. I'm turning it off.
Yeah, 66 is too cold. Dove. It's clean though. Very clean. No bathtub, just a shower, but that's fine. Yeah, definitely contemporary feel. And what'd you say? This is $100?
$98
$98.
before taxes.
And when Holly's like, I got a $100 room, I was like, oh shoot. I was thinking it was gonna be crap. For $100? Did you not use points? It was just no.
No, I did not use points. Just
Oh my
$98.
God, this is incredible. But where are we again? Bentonville, Arkansas?
Mm-hmm.
Bentonville, Arkansas. There's the address. 3402 Median Lane, Bentonville, Arkansas.
It might be a little.
Avid and IHG Hotel.
It might be a little bit smaller than a regular.
I mean, yeah, there's,
Holiday
yeah,
because it doesn't have like the table, but like I think they use space better.
yeah.
You know what I mean? You got the fridge over here instead,
And a steamer.
and you got this here,
Oh, there's the fridge right
and you
there.
have stuff here instead of the closet.
Let me put my
Look,
poke bowl in the fridge.
there's the.
Ironing
They just
board.
have the space better.
Yeah, that's cold. So yeah, we went to Abby's first college lacrosse game this afternoon
Yeah,
at the University of Arkansas, and it's a 5-hour drive back home. We decided to stay all night and get up early and head home back to St. Louis tomorrow.
Yeah, I would stay at an Avid again. I like this.
I was a little worried when you said $100 because
This kind of reminds me of like,
usually cheap hotels are crap, but
I don't know. What do I want to say?
I don't know what you want to say.
It's
It's contemporary.
I love it.
It smells new. I can definitely tell. It smells nice. It smells new. The question is, like, these hotel pillows always look good, but when you lay down, they like turn into like Oh, might actually be a good pillow for once. Yes, I use hotel pillows. As much as I travel, I know a lot of people are like, I travel so much, I bring my own pillow. You won't believe like how disgusting this stuff is. I don't care. I don't want to hear it. I don't think about it. I've yet to get bed bugs, and I've stayed in over 100 hotels. So I will keep using hotel pillows. I got one little suitcase. That's it. That's all I'll bring. But yeah, very happy with this. We do get free breakfast in the morning, 6:30 to 9:30. And nice little twist, Dave & Buster's is only like 4 minutes away. So we're going to go to Dave & Buster's for a couple hours. All right, free breakfast, quick thing, because they've got some copyrighted music going on. Cereal, eggs, breakfast, potatoes, scrambled eggs. I'm really impressed by this bagel bar. I don't eat bagels, but if I did, that's impressive for free. But I'm gonna go for the scrambled eggs and potatoes. That's what I like. All right, free breakfast. I always get apple juice. My husband prefers orange juice, but he's not here today. Apple juice for me. They also have a bunch of different coffees. I'll drink coffee, but not my first choice. All right, quick review of the hotel. I loved it. After taxes, Holly said it was $111. We had our free breakfast. The room itself slept very well, no issues. I did show that they're doing construction right next door. So if I wanted to sleep in, the construction people ruined it. This is just temporary, so it's not really a complaint against the hotel. They can't help that. But it's definitely, if I wanted to hang out and relax in the room all day, that ain't happening because of all the construction sounds. But again, it's just temporary. Recommend, if I was coming through this area again, I would stay at this hotel again. So yeah, great deal. The free breakfast was great. No complaints.